In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect FTMO to Tradingview. Let's clear up the big question right away. You cannot directly connect FTMO to Tradingview. There is no native integration that lets you place trades from Tradingview straight into your FTMO account. The reason is simple. FTMO uses MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 as their execution platforms, while Tradingview is designed primarily for charting and analysis. So instead of trying to force a connection that doesn't exist, the best approach is to use both platforms together. Here's the easiest method, and it's exactly what most funded traders already do. Use Tradingview for your analysis, and place your trades manually in MT5 on your FTMO account. It's straightforward, reliable, and fully allowed by FTMO. Start by opening Tradingview and building your analysis. Choose your market, apply your indicators, and draw your key levels, trend lines, or zones. Keep your chart clean and intentional so it's easy to transfer your plan. Note the exact entry price, stop loss, and take profit you want to use. If you work with multiple time frames, confirm that your idea makes sense from higher to lower time frames before you move on. Next, open MT5 and log in to your FTMO account. Make sure you select the exact same symbol you analyzed on Tradingview, since broker symbols can include suffixes and might look slightly different. Align your chart time frame if it helps you visualize the plan. Now place the trade manually. Click New Order, choose your order type, enter your lot size, set your stop loss, and take profit to match your Tradingview plan, and execute the trade. Take a second to double-check your numbers before clicking buy or sell. This quick pause helps avoid typos and keeps you within your risk rules. From there, you can monitor the trade in MT5 while continuing to use Tradingview for clarity and decision support. Many traders keep both windows side by side so they can manage positions without losing sight of their original analysis. If you like, use Tradingview alerts to notify you when price reaches your levels, then switch to MT5 to execute or manage simple and effective. If you're a beginner, keep the setup minimal. Tradingview for charts, MT5 for trading, that's it. Save your Tradingview layout, maintain a focused watch list, and stick to one or two strategies so the handoff between platforms stays smooth. To recap, there's no direct connection between FTMO and Tradingview, and that's okay. Run Tradingview for analysis, execute on MT5, and you'll have a clean professional workflow that matches how most FTMO traders operate.